hello guys. Yeah. So yung ginagawa ko ngayon is sinishred ko yung ating hot and spicy sardines na which is yung fried sardines. So ito yung gagamitin kong ingredients para sa aking tuna pasta ala Vinci. Kasi si Vinci yung tumuro sa akin ito. Anyways, ito yung product na gamit ko. Ito lang kasi yung afford ko, but you are not limited to this one, okay? So, imimix ko din yung tuna. Depende na po kayo sa tuna product or brand na gagamitin nyo. Yung sa akin is ito yung gagamitin ko kasi ito yung afford ko. Anyways, yeah. I am using 2 cans of tuna over 1 can of fried sardines. And yung pinili ko is yung hot and spicy nga para meron siyang kick. And usually, minimix ko sila. Sinishred ko po muna. Pati yung tuna, sinishred ko din po. And then, imimix together ko. Para pag saute mamaya, kasama na sila sa pagsusute ko. Again, reminder or disclaimer lang po, hindi po ito sponsored video. Pero, Century Tuna or 555 back in a man. Anyways. Yeah. So, after ko siyang ma-shred, anyway, nakahanda naman yung ingredients. And by the way, guys, yung ginamit ko pala dito na pasta is 500 grams. So, since wala akong nakita na na 500 grams, yung ginawa ko is bumili ako ng dalawang 250 grams. Tapos, pagsasamahin ko na lang. So, yeah, shred, and then mix lang tayo. Actually, guys, if meron kayong prefer na other brands, okay din siya. Before yung ginagamit ko is, as advice din ng friend ko is yung Permex na tuna. Before is tuna lang talaga yung ginagamit namin. Hindi kami nagmi-mix ng fried sardines. But, eto nga, na-discover ko, turo din niya. So, ginaya ko. And, we like the taste. So, ito na siya yung ginagamit namin. And here are the other ingredients. just transfer this to a clean container so that it can be served well. So here is our finished product. And if you're still watching this video, I hope you like this simple recipe of mine. And if you have any suggestions or what you call this comment, please feel free to write it on the comment section below. Thanks.